Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the profile section and manage it on your account on Alibaba easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application, then go to this my Alibaba in the bottom, and then here you will find your account up here. Then here, as you see here, this is the profile section. Now you can change the full name, the email. So as you see here, you can manage your profile section as you like, and that's it. That's how to find the profile section easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.